Good morning. Let's jump right into QuickBooks to learn how to set up your chart of accounts to ensure accurate reporting.
You will find the chart of accounts in QuickBooks under the Company tab, Chart of Accounts, or Control A. From here, you'll find a list of standard accounts. To create a new account, select the Account button in the lower left-hand corner of the screen and select New. Here, you'll find a list of standard account types. The first is income, which categorizes money earned for normal business operations, such as product sales, service sales, and discounts to customers. The next account type is expense, which categorizes money spent in the course of normal business operations, such as advertising and promotion, office supplies, insurance, legal fees, charitable contributions, and rent. The third account type is fixed assets, which track the value of significant items that has a useful life of more than 1 year, such as buildings, land, machinery and equipment, and vehicles. The next account type is bank, which you create one for each cash account, such as petty cash, checking, savings, and money market. The next is a loan account, which tracks the principal your business owes for a loan or line of credit. The next account type is credit card, which you create one for each credit card your business uses. The next account type is equity. This tracks money invested in or money taken out of the business by owners or shareholders. Payroll and reimbursable expenses should not be included. To learn more about payroll, there is a webinar DVD for $1.99. There are also other account types, which include accounts receivable, other current assets, other assets, accounts payable, other current liabilities, long-term liabilities, cost of goods sold, other income, and other expense accounts. I'd like to focus on the cost of goods sold account. Once you have selected your account type, click the Continue button. Then here, you will put in your GL account number, and with it being a cost of goods sold account type, usually the number begins with the 5, so we're going to call it 5099. The next is the account name, which we're going to call labor. Then we'll make it a sub-account of job labor cost. And description is going to be labor. Then the note, if you wanted to put any, there's no tax line mapping. Click Save and Close.
Now that we've learned how to set up our chart of accounts, I'd like to take a moment and review why it is important to do so correctly. A good example of this is Lehman Brothers scandal. They were a global financial services firm. They hid over $50 billion in loans and disguised them as sales. They allegedly sold toxic assets to Cayman Island banks with the understanding that they would be bought back eventually, creating the impression that they had $50 billion more in cash and $50 billion less in toxic assets than what they did. This became the biggest U.S. bankruptcy case. The SEC did not prosecute for lack of evidence. When you go to the office tomorrow, please remember the importance of setting up your QuickBooks correctly. I don't want to see anybody on the 6 o'clock news. Thank you.